So we'll begin with the interview. I mean, it's not an interview, Rohit. It's just kind of an interaction which we are having with you to understand your journey. Um,
Yeah.
so we'll get started with it. Hi, everyone. Welcome to this interview. Today, we will be interacting with Rohit Kamble, who has recently started his journey as a business analyst. We will be listening to his transformation journey in his own words. I am Nitin, and I will be the host of this interview on behalf of Techcanvass. So let's get started. Hi, Rohit. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good actually. How are you, sir?
I'm good. Thank you, Rohit. Thanks
Yes.
for
Uh,
asking. So, Rohit, before we begin with the questions, I just wanted to understand what background did you have before becoming a BA?
yes. The I completed engineering in 2013 in electronics and communication. Then I started the banking preparation exam, and then after 2 to 3 years of preparation, I joined the RBL Bank as a probationary officer. And I completed. Meanwhile, I completed a PGDBA program in Bangalore as well. And then I worked in the RBL Bank as an assistant manager for 2 years. And then I gain a lot of experience regarding sales, how to handle retail customers or like that. Then I moved to other organization, that is one of the investment banking firm. And then In that investment banking firm, I yeah, invested my 1 year, and then I started means on that between I started preparation for a business analyst role. And then This is my third job, you can say now. And I completed around 1 year in this role as a BA. Yeah.
Okay. So, how was your transformation? You were working as what was your role in banking, and then you transformed your role to a business analyst. So, just if you can talk about that.
Yeah, actually, both the roles are completely different. The banking, it means that I'm handling operation part, like handling customers and giving the service to them, like RTGS, NEFT transactions, or creating service tickets, just like that. Means I'm using that Finacle software in a branch. And means in means I just want to go in a IT company or software development company, but I'm not interested in the coding part. Means I just want to utilize my this experience interaction with the client, a stakeholder. And yes, I just want to utilize this skill to in IT domain. So I started yeah, there is one role like business analyst, who is the intermediary from the technical team and the business team. So I think it is well suited role for me. So I guess then I start preparing for this. I'm searching on Google, YouTube. Then I found that Tech Canvas, and then I joined the basic certification like ECBA certification, live online
Mhm.
session program. Yes. Mm.
So how much time did it take you? Um, how much time did you invest in this in this entire journey?
Means you can say around means for a class, means just attending the class, the 3 to 4 month is good actually. But for preparation, that there are various tools and techniques, we have to revise the tools and technique, we have to read the babak. It takes around 6 to 8 month, you can say. And after that 6 to 8 month, means I'm just posted on the LinkedIn, and I interviewed as a BA. Means I give around 5 interviews as a BA, and I selected two of them. One from the Hyderabad based startup. Another is the Mumbai-based startup. So means, and I prefer the MNC startup, which is in Hyderabad-based startup. Now I am working as a BA. Yeah.
So how was your interview? How were you able to tackle those interviews? Because um, now you have completely changed your stream from
Hmm.
handling operations and customers. Now you're working as a BA. So how were you able to handle those interviews when you gave the
Yes, means how I handle that, because in the classroom session I got the basic insights of business analysis activities, how we can do that. I learned various tools like wireframing tool, then Jira, Confluence. and I got the idea of this tool. And whenever I'm going to interview, they will just they just ask me how the banking experience will help us. Then I'm convincing them, yes, that sales domain means I handle that client interfacing role, and it is really helpful to become a BA. And apart from that, I know the all business analysis activity, like how we can do requirement gathering, elicitation, collaboration activities, tools and technique, how we will work. There are different documents template. uh, I got the full idea after completing this course from the Tech Canvas. So I'm pretty much confident. Yeah, I'm yes, I can work as a BA. So
Mhm.
that's why I'm selected. Yes.
Okay. And what were a few common questions which you found? Because you said you gave 5 interviews. There must be few questions which you found that these are being asked in every business analysis interview, just for our audience so that they can also focus on the same type of questions.
The basic question is how your current role you can means you can utilize in this as a BA role. Then means they are checking the communication skill. They are asking about the business analysis activity. And in one of the interviews, they just told me just give the presentation on any topic regarding BA activities. So I gave the presentation on agile principles or agile manifesto, and just 4 to 5 slides. And they really like the presentation, and I'm selected for the next round. So
Okay,
means
great.
first 2 to 3 interviews are very means neutral for me, but after that the interview goes really nice for me. So means I'm selecting everywhere. Yeah.
Congratulations, Rohit. Did you
Yeah,
face
thanks.
any challenges or apprehensions when you started this preparation? Was
uh,
there any time when you faced that, no, I'm not going to do this. This is not meant for me?
yes, means challenges is it means that means in my mind is decided, yeah, we have to do this transition. And yeah, means this BA's role for me, you can say that. And challenges I am facing to means there is work commitment. I'm working from home. There are on a daily basis 10 to 12 hours of working is there. So on a daily means when I'm walking or I have a free time, I will watch the video by which is conducted by Abhishek sir. And they have a really nice app like Techcanvass app. And on the Saturday Sunday I will give the full time. Like I will watch the question. I will watch the video. I will solve the test. I will read the PPT on all things. And yeah, and tools and technique as well. So means that Saturday Sunday full time I am giving. And on a daily basis on a weekday I'm just watching the recorded lecture. Yes, but it's a bit
Okay.
difficult to manage that current work and this course preparation. So yes.
So, what do you feel about the functional knowledge, Rohit? By that I mean, now you have switched from banking to MNC, multinational companies or any IT companies. So, how important do you feel that having functional knowledge is how what did you face any questions related to those functional knowledge in your interviews, or you feel that functional knowledge is not something which is very much needed but can be developed on the job? So what is your
Yes,
view
yes,
on
right.
that?
Yes, means functional or domain knowledge are very important, but on an initial stage, that is not very important. They will just ask question about your previous background. Like my background is banking and finance, so they are asking me question regarding bank, how bank works, repo rate, reverse repo rate, all the technical terminology related to banking only. And if you know the business analysis activity, how you can perform that, how you can talk to the client, how you can gather the requirement. So that's it. It's a bit non-technical role, but eventually you grow in organization. You will get the idea about the domain which we are following in our current project. So that's not an issue. Means a function regarding functional knowledge or domain knowledge. Yeah.
Okay. And what
Mhm.
what skills do you feel are a must have for a business analyst, and how one can develop those skills?
The first the basic skill is communication or interaction skill, you can say. The second is the eager to learn, means you have to learn every time, because in other job like banking or any manufacturing industry, there are just the same process, monotonous process, and you have to follow on a daily day to day basis, the same process. But in this, as a BA, you have to that learning mode should always be on, because you can get the different kinds of requirement, you can get the different questions from the developer. Means they're kind of means every day there is a brainstorming session actually, how you study or how you can start preparation. So that is more important. And apart from this, the BA activity or a basic knowledge about that BEBOK, what is the standard process, they means that reference knowledge is very important. Yeah, this three thing important. Mm.
And what role did Tech Canvas play in this journey?
Tech Canvas is played a major role in my journey actually. Means I attended all the lectures, live session of the Abhishek sir, and they really give me the means the actual idea of the concept, and they will try to correlate the theoretical concept in a practical way, and so we can correlate that. Yes, like elicitation and collaboration. Then these are the technique, and practically we can follow this. Yeah, I got it. There is some difference between theoretical and practical approach, but still you can correlate this thing, so you feel pretty much confident while implementing those things in your day to day work life. Yes, and they play a major role, and that LMS portal is very interactive, like the Q&A session or a test series session are really important. And the book, like the Bebok,
Hmm.
they give us the Bebok short version, and the other books is written by them. Both are very helpful to become a BA. Anyone can become a BA by this course, like basic ECBA certification. Yes.
Thank you so much for that, Rohit. Um, Thanks a lot for interacting with us, and it was really amazing
Yes.
hearing your journey, this business analysis journey. And I hope the viewers will get motivated and they will also look forward to become a business analyst and start their career in this particular field. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. You have a great day and all the best for your future. Take
Yeah,
care.
thank you so much. Yeah, and thank you for inviting me on this platform. So yes, yeah,
All
yeah.
right, Rohit. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Thank you. Bye.